Do this and this will happen. Do this and this will happen. And if it doesn't happen, don't beat yourself up. Listen to me carefully. Do not beat yourself up if you don't accomplish 100% of it. 1% better today is 100% better at doing nothing. Let me say that again. 1% better today is 100% better at doing nothing. And that's what I needed. That's what I yearn for. My brain, your brain, the way the brain works is it needs something to push. It needs something to fight for. It needs something to focus on, to drive. That's how the male brain works. We're in this constant fight. We're in this constant flight, or in this constant fear, or this constant freeze. We're fighting through 4 major things. Our body responds the best when we know, when we have that fight mode, we have that purpose, focus, direction. That's when we excel the best. When you don't know, you're in the freeze mode, and then you get fear mode, and then you're like flight mode, right? And then you repel everything. Subconsciously, you start to repel everything because it's just easier. It's easier to not work on yourself. It's easier to sit back and blame all your circumstances. It's easier to point the finger at everybody else. It's easier to run away from the pain and the hurt than it is to stand up and say, I am going to fight this. If not for me, then for who? I had 4 beautiful children that I had to fight. I had to retrain my brain. I had to retrain the way that I thought. I had 4 beautiful children that were waiting for me to become the dad that they had always envisioned years ago. Now, when you understand that process, here's what happens. Three major points that happens. Probably a 4th, but 3 for sure. Number 1, here's the number 1 thing that happens. Number 1 is you become a whole new person. You become a person that attracts that which your brain focuses on. You now start to attract better all around. Again, go back to my favorite word in Navajo, hojo, mind, body, soul, and beauty. You start to attract that. You start to say, this is who I am, and this is what I'm attracting. You start to push away that doesn't benefit you at this time, and you start to attract that which you need. That's the first thing that it does. Men, listen to me carefully. You start to reframe this up here, then your body, then the universe responds. God says, you're ready for it. I'm going to give you one talent. I'm going to give you this talent and see what you do with it. I'm going to watch what you do with it. Are you going to bury it? Like the unprofitable servant? Are you going to bury that thing and then come back and say, hey, I was, and make up all kinds of excuses? Or are you going to take that talent and run with it? Are you going to start to own and say, yeah, I'm a divorced dad? Absolutely, I am. I got 4 beautiful children. Man, that's great to be a divorced dad because now I get to move and work on the things that I want. Did I want to be a divorced dad? Absolutely, yeah. Nobody wants that. Nobody wants that. Nobody wants that label, that stigma that sits over the top of you. Nobody wants that looking out into the universe and saying, oh, you're a divorced dad. What did you do? Remember the 2 things that they always think? Did you cheat? Or did you have an addiction, right? Rhymes with corn. Is that what happened? And regardless if it did or didn't, right now you get to work on you. Number 1, retrain it, rebuild it, rethink it. Write things down how you can elevate and prosper and move and push and move forward. The second thing it does, starts to build confidence. Confidence breeds habits. Confidence breeds ability to move. Confidence attracts greatness.